everybody, Jen Jones here. I'm back for part 2 of using the Shades of Meaning paper form in Pic Collage. So that means not running class sets and not wasting paper on those response sheets for the Shades of Meaning Center, but actually having students use it in Pic Collage. So this is really like part 2 of the video. I didn't really finish showing you how kids could do it. So you're going to open up the Pic Collage app. Let's just start over. I'm going to start over with this. When you start over, we're going to hit the create button at the bottom. We're going to select photos. We're going to find the blank sheet that the kids just took a picture of on the wall, and you're going to click the check mark. And now the picture comes up here. And what I'm going to do is just going to resize it just a little bit. And then if you double tap the picture, then it says right here, it says set as background, that purple button, and you're going to hit purple button. And then you're just going to whisk that up to the top. And now you can see that it's the background no matter how much you touch. Whoops. No matter how much you touch or pinch. Goodness, let's see if I can go back to it. Ask me later. No matter how much you touch or pinch the sheet here, it's not going to move. So now the kids can write, well, not write, but type the words in order here using the text feature. So to type the words into the order here, you're going to hit the plus sign and hit text. And I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to turn the text back to maybe a blue color here instead of the black. Make sure that it's on an easy to read font there, Helvetica. And then I'm just going to start typing. The most comfy is probably a bed. Some would say that the kids are going to make a bed. And then you hit the check mark over here. And then I move bed over to the line. And if you pinch and squeeze with your fingers, it makes the word bigger or smaller there. I'm going to hit the plus sign again and hit text. And I'm going to type in the next probably most comfortable thing there is probably a bunk. So I'm going to type bunk and hit the check mark. Then I'm going to move bunk to the second line, hit the plus sign and the text again, and probably the next most comfortable thing is probably a cot, check mark, move it to the third line. Plus sign text is probably next going to be maybe a air mattress. I'm just sort of guesstimating as what the order is from most comfy to least comfy. And I'm going to move air mattress. Now that's a long word, so I'm just going to make it a little bit. There we go. There we go, air mattress. And you would continue on recording the words in order here by just continuing to hit the plus sign, text, plus sign, text, plus sign, text. Now in the box of words up here, the children can pick one word that they want to demonstrate with a picture or a drawing. And so I'm going to demonstrate this with a drawing, with a picture. I'm going to pick the word hammock. So I'm actually going to go ahead and type the word hammock in here with the plus sign. I'm actually going to change the font to like pink since it's a different one here. And if you want to get fancy, you can change the font here as well. So I'm going to put hammock there. That's going to be our word that we're going to pick. And then it says draw a picture of it. But instead of drawing a picture of it, I'm going to go grab a picture of it. And again, we're going to use our plus sign again. And we're going to hit photos. And I am going to look for photos. Let's see. Let me try this one more time. Oh, instead of selecting photos, you're going to select web search. I'm going to select web search, and I'm going to type in there hammock, and search, and I come up with a whole bunch of pictures of hammocks. So I'm going to select this picture here of the hammock on the beach, hit the check mark, and I'm going to resize it to fit inside that box. And so now I've got and don't forget your name. You're going to add text to your name. I'm going to say Mrs. Jones. And I'm going to come put my name right up here at the top. And then I'm almost done if I would have finished out the words right here. And then when you're done there, and kids can also hit the arrow right here that saves it to your camera roll. So it saves it there to your camera roll. It's already saved to my library, they're calling it. Hit the check mark at the top, and then if you close and go back to your home screen and open up Photos, you will see that it's done, and at the bottom, okay, Photos, which is the very last one we did right here today, was Photos. And there's kind of a lot of white space around the edge, so I'm going to hit Edit and just kind of like make it a little bit closer to the edges so there's not so much white space showing. And go ahead and hit Done. Gonna go ahead and then we're all done there. Now kids can save this in apps like ClassKick and Seesaw. So it's like a digital portfolio, so it really doesn't have to be printed out ever, or it could. And in apps like ClassKick and Seesaw, you can go ahead and give kids feedback straight in the app, okay? And that's about it. If you have any more questions about this product, please utilize the Q&A tab on Teachers Pay Teachers. And you can find this product, Shades of Meaning, and Volume 1, Shades of Meaning, in my TPT store at shophelloliteracy.com under the left-hand side custom category tab, Higher Order Thinking Skills or Critical Thinking. Hello Literacy is the name of my store. My Hello Literacy store address, again, is shophelloliteracy.com. Thank you so much.